Mar stima dat ni ng'wecha mar ndiko duoko makare tuke mag Afrika ma ugwe e kinde magidhi Uganda ne tuke mag Kampala Open Championships. Timno ne wuok e pacho ka bang' ne giyudo sir kowuok kuom kambi mar Kenya Power ma osebedo ka sirogi. Tim no nigi geno mar ndiko duoko makare tielo ni kendo loyo simbo mag timbe Afrika ma ugwe.
East Africa is the best person also in Kenya. Kenya's number one.
But you are not happy.
We are very happy. Akitusaidia the better. So mnakumbuka kuna watu walifaidika last time.
Sasa ile kitu ambaye tunaweza sema ya kwamba hizi masiku zimesalia, tunaweza kwenda na alafu tuangalie makosa mahali ambaye imekuwa, na sababu tumeweza kushiriki katika hiyo michezo tena. Tunajua ya kwamba mahali ambaye kuna maugumu na kuna mahali ambaye watu wanaweza penya, kwa hivyo tuko tayari kabisa.
Fully prepared for us, and that's why we have taken a lot of practice. Last week we were doing our team selection. We do an open selection. Each and every player has an equal opportunity to take part in the team, and we appreciate the sponsors given us an opportunity that after the selection we